What is up, everyone? For today, we're going to be replacing my headlight. First, we got to remove the bumper. Remove all the screws on the side and on the top, and then just pull down. That way I get access on the top screw on the side and the other side of the screw, and then pull the headlights out. This two screws right over here, one here, and then one over here, and then just pull this back, and then there's another screw hiding right over here. It uses the same T30. Just unbolt it. Careful. So I did use my plastic piece. So see how there's a like a glue almost to hold this bumper. Just release those glue, so initial glue from the factory. But anyway, to take this out, make sure you press down because there's a latch right here. It catches on it, this little lip right here. So you're gonna have to press this down and get one of these little tab. That way you don't break any of these. So what I did, I pushed down, I worked my way, push down on the clip, push down on the clip while I pull this out. Okay, so use something that's plastic to push the clips down, okay? And then I'm gonna do the other side. So the bumper is out. You don't need to fully remove it to remove the headlights. So that's it. And it's held on by the bolts right over here. 1, 2, and then 3 right over there. And then we'll replace this chrome headlights. Before you remove the headlight, always don't forget to remove this harness over here. Just squeeze down and pull straight, and then that's that. I want to point out, to remove the headlights, just don't pull towards you. Make sure you lift it a little bit because there's a notch on this one, so you don't want to break that notch. Now, since the headlight is out, it's a good time to fix or clean your under the headlight, this discoloration. You can just grab a towel or wax, whatever, and if you have one of these like I do, it's a good time to paint it as well. So I have an LED conversion, but I had a rig cover on the back, so I'm actually gonna just punch a hole on the factory one. So just drill a hole. I will show you why I am drilling a hole. It's because I have a LED headlights, the cooler comes out here, so the little wires, so I'm gonna have to have room for it. There you go, just a little hole just like that, smooth hole. I'll show you why. A cooler like this for the string, so if you don't have that, it would probably fit inside, but that's that. This is my LED that I'm using for more than a year now. This is the resistor. This is the resistor that way it doesn't trigger that light on the dash. And then you can tuck all this inside the headlight itself. So I'm quite lucky that I've had it for more than a year. That's actually 2 years, and it's still going. So Amazon part. Alright, everyone, until next time, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and until next time, God bless. Bye.